have some seeds and grains. These are the things that birds love to eat. Can you scoop the seeds with me? Do you see how the seeds are small and hard? It takes a lot of energy for the birds to crack them open. That's why they love to eat grains too. Now, let's make a simple bird feeder. We will use a milk carton and a pin. First, carefully cut the side of the carton. Next, put some seeds and grains inside. Then roll it up and put the pin through the loop to make a hand. Lastly, hang the bird feeder from a tree. Look how high up it is. Can you help me hang the feeder? Now let's wait for the birds to come and eat. Look, a bird landed on the feeder. Can you wave to the bird? I see another one. And look, a whole flock of birds came to eat. Yay! The birds are happy. When the birds come to our feeder, do not touch the wild birds. We need to observe them gently. Do you see how beautiful they are? The birds are eating and flying away. They're so happy. You made a bird feeder and helped feed our feathered friends. Great job, baby. Bye.